Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Wayne Rogers was able to leave the show because he never signed a contract. Rogers said that aside from missing the cast, and his friendship with Alda in particular, he had no regrets about leaving the show after season 3.
Take our lead.
The show explained John's and Rogers' absence as the military having discharged the character. But behind the scenes, Rogers and the show's creator engaged in a contract dispute and even a lawsuit, according to The Hollywood Reporter. Rogers had abruptly decided he didn't want to be on the show anymore.
Make your mark, take our lead.
But despite the series starting with this surgical duo, by the show's 4th season, Trapper John was gone. His exit is abrupt and, in the show, only explained as Trapper having been discharged, though viewers are offered no other explanation.
Let's help you make your mark.
In 1975, Rogers left M*ASH after 3 years in a contract dispute and because he felt the writers were slighting Trapper John's character development. Essentially, his character had become the straight man to Alan Alda's endearingly wry Hawkeye character.
Let's help you make your mark.
Regrettably, during his football career, Henry suffered multiple head injuries, leading to Parkinson's disease and chronic traumatic encephalopathy. These long-term health problems brought his career to an early end in 1988, about a decade after his M*ASH performance. Henry passed away in 2021, at the age of 84.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.